Space heaters can make cold rooms cozy, but it's important to make sure using them correctly so you don't have a fire. We recently talked to Decatur Fire and Rescue, and they tell us it's common for space heaters to cause fires this time of year. If you're using one, it's important to only have them on when you're awake and at home. But there's another simple step you can take to lower the chances of starting a fire.
Plugging any appliance into like a power strip or a extension cord, those are big no-nos. So making sure you got them plugged directly into an outlet.
Fire officials also urge everyone to install and maintain smoke and carbon monoxide detectors, which are commonly known as CO2 detectors. Decatur Fire and Rescue, along with several fire departments here in North Alabama, have programs where they can install smoke detectors for free.